Hello and welcome to this video tutorial showing Teamsite Easy Import feature. Marketers use two disparate systems, Teamsite for web content management and Optimost for A/B testing, to identify winning digital experiences called the creatives. When users try to bring back creatives from Optimost into Teamsite, it results in a lot of duplicate work, inefficiency, and loss of productivity. In Release 20.2, Teamsite provides easy import where users can import a winning creative as new version of the page with one click. Within the Teamsite administration UI, make sure that Optimost is set up and test successfully. Switch to Experience Studio and make sure Live Site Runtime Server is configured correctly for our site. Click on Site Details and select Advanced. Verify the server address and the site alias are correct. Both of these are important when using Teamsite in conjunction with Optimost. Switch to the Basic tab, open Optimization and Analytics, and check Use Optimost Analytics. Click Save. Let's preview the page that will be sent to Optimost for A/B testing. Notice there is no Optimost button on the top. We can publish the page using Publish Now. Click on the ellipsis menu and select Publish Now. Select the page, click Publish Now. Give it a few seconds and refresh the page. Now that the page is published, open for preview. Notice at this time, there is an Optimost button added to the top right because the page is published. Drop down the Optimost menu and select Enable Easy Import Mode. Accept the message prompt to enable Easy Import Mode. Drop down the Optimost menu again and select Go to Visual Test. At this time, the user is sent to Optimost testing environment. Start a new experiment, give it a name, select Portfolio, and click Create. Once the experiment is created, you will be asked to enable Easy Import Mode from the Optimost side. Click Enable. It is a good idea to give your creative a name. Let's have another creative. Give it a name. As you can see, the original page and the two creatives all look alike at this time. Now let's make some changes. For the first creative, change the text. And change the image. For the second creative, change the text. And change the image. You can see the difference in the page for each creative and the original. Now let us set the KPI, Key Performance Indicator, to measure the success of the experiment. Select Click Counters. Continue to define the click counters. Provide a name and add it. Select the Bookend button to monitor its link and set primary KPI, then save. Now promote the experiment to QA. Wait for preparing the experiment. Let's take the experiment live. At this time, Optimost is running the test, and usually this goes for a specified period of time to collect usage data. Later, you can check out the reports to see the performance. Depending on the highest conversion ratio, we will select the winner. We are going to select Save 20% as the target winner. Accept the prompt to let Optimost serve only the winning creative. Switch back to look at the experiment and refresh the page. Notice the 20% off is the target winner. Jump back to Teamsite and check out the To Do tab within Home. You can see the page name and its status. You can click and go directly to the page, or open Sites and open the page for a preview. Teamsite provides a message from Optimost about the winning creative. Click Preview Changes to compare the original page and the new creative side by side. You can click View Table to see the details of what's changed. Click Import to accept the winning creative. Now, if you open the page for preview, you will find the new creative made it into Teamsite. You can verify by clicking on versions and comparing the current page with the original one. Now simply publish this version of the page. Finally, view the page on live site. As you can see, with release 20.2, Teamsite enables users to seamlessly and quickly import Optimost winning content into Teamsite with no manual work and near zero friction. Once a winning creative is identified, moving it from running in Optimost to publishing within Teamsite can all be done within few minutes. This improves the speed to market with a higher conversion rate and reduction in Optimost running time, enabling a closed-loop differentiating feature.